Yeah, yeah. And then when you're in the glide, like picture the glide, it's just that much less. Not that there's much
more noisy than the glide, actually.
Yeah, it's stunning. First electric flight.
First electric flight, wow. So, must admit it felt like my first electric vehicle drive.
Yeah.
Once you go electric, it's very hard to go back to a traditional IC vehicle or a traditional IC aircraft.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Really.
Cross between a glider and a
Yeah.
an electric plane.
Definitely that glider end of the spectrum. None of this annoying drone.
No drone, no fuel smell,
Yeah.
no nausea.
We're able to have the
Completely
headset
silent.
off there
Yeah,
for a little
fantastic. I'm spoiled now. I don't think I'll ever be able to go back.
He's converted.
I'm
Excellent.
converted.
We'll have to get you flying again.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely.
Exactly. Get me back into it.
Thanks for coming with us.
Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.
No worries.
Awesome.